check this out. So I've been able to hack things. So have you ever read the Iliad?
I know about it.
If you're ever bored, just give it a read. No pressure, right? But
Yeah, no, I really want to get into it.
Dude, have you ever watched the movie 300? Like, this
Yeah,
is Sparta?
of course, yeah.
Imagine Sparta, the movie 300, but on crack.
That's the Iliad?
The Iliad, it's so
No,
good.
I really want to read it.
It's almost like watching a John Wick movie.
But the thing is, I know about it. I know a lot
No,
about it.
just read it. What I'd recommend, skip the intro, it's a little bit boring. Go straight to the center. It's all battle scenes, and then half the scenes, you know what it is? Achilles picks up a, example, right? In the Furia battle, Achilles picks up a massive stone that barely 3 strong men can carry, throws it to his opponent, hits it on his femur shatters, and Black Death envelops his eyes. So half the battle, they're just fucking throwing rocks at each other.
It's insane.
Isn't that crazy? So I just thought to myself,
Did you read the Odyssey as well?
yeah, Odyssey, I didn't really like Odyssey. I think it's a little boring.
I read the Iliad first, right?
Yeah, read the Iliad. I wouldn't bother with it. I mean, if you have time, read the Odyssey, but I think Odyssey is a little bit boring. Like, you know, some people say that Homer wrote both. I actually don't think so. I think Iliad, I'll rate it 10 times better than Odyssey. Odyssey is pretty boring.
Really?
Like, I would say the Iliad is like a Lambo, and the Odyssey is kind of like Honda Civic.
Really?
It's
Interesting.
kind of boring, but then Iliad is great because it's all mostly battle scenes.
Yeah.
So check out this, right? So essentially this rock, I would rate this rock maybe like, I think this rock's at least 100 pounds, I think. I might be wrong. But try this real quick. So stand here in the sumo deadlift style. Can you do that? You wanna try it real quick?
I never tried.
Yeah, give it a go.
So,
Yep. And then ass to grass, like Asian squats out, And then pick it up. Pick it up.
whoa!
So try again. Go more Asian style. Like
So-
what you would have in the Philippines. Like how can you do this? Yeah. Now grab it. And then get your balls close to the rock. Like look forward. And essentially lift with your hips. Lift with your legs. Easy. Oh, good job. Dude, bro,
good.
looking super vascular.
Yeah, that's awesome.
This is a new thing that someone taught me. So, you ever see people doing like Olympic powerlifting?
Yeah.
And so I was thinking to myself, how could I apply that to this? And do you know what's so good with the rock? It's actually the most like primal. Like I feel like a kid again, right?
Yeah.
Because you know at the gym, right? When you go Nelson, you're not allowed to be loud.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
besides Rock, he's like, "Wow, I felt good
Yeah,
at this," right?
exactly.
But then the thing that I'm so grateful of Rock, he taught me it's okay to be loud. And so, like for example, this is one thing you could try. Sorry, guys.
Well, it's a lot easier.
Yeah, it is. And you got 2 brains instead of 1.
Crazy. That's mad.
Yo, so you wanna try to get it to your chest?
Yeah.
You wanna try real quick?
Huh. I'm kind of scared though.
No, don't be scared. I mean, worst case scenario, you scratch up your chest, but that looks manly. So just
We'll see.
so ass to grass. Super Asian. Get your balls closer to the rock. Right. So look forward. So pick it up. Yep. Get it up. Yep. Oh, you almost had it.
Almost.
You had like you try again.
Yeah.
And then when you do it, have you ever done the power grunt?
Never.
Give the power grunt, bro. And then
Before? Or?
yeah, before. Yep.
Okay.
Be loud. Come on, we're at the park. Yep. Yep. Up. Yep. Hold your chest. Oh, my boy. What's this so bad? Bro, I can see your traps from here, man.
No, yeah.
How's that feel?
I'm gonna work on that. That's good.
Yeah, good. Good job, man.
And then hopefully I can progress one day
And
at a time.
then, do you know what's also a good thing too? You do this and you work out your legs too. Because I think the problem with calisthenics, most do with calisthenics.
Yeah. Tying legs, that's so
You know why?
true.
Because there's like you watch
It's hard, yeah.
Because like there's no workouts actually
Yeah.
for the legs.
You can do like it's all like body weight squats, and how far can that really get you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, Another fun thing too, could you do a pistol squat, one-legged squat?
I was doing like that. I don't know.
So, this.
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Problems I've been having, it's so annoying. I've had like a lot of problems with my knees because I play soccer. And I feel like my left is worse than my right.
Can you, wait, just squat on the ground first, as the grass. Just stick out one leg.
Nice.
Hmm? Oh, good. Oh, yeah, you can do it. Yeah. Try the other leg. Start on the ground. It's a little easier. Stick out your other leg and just stand up. Stand up. Power up. Oh, yeah, good job.
Yeah, I don't know, my left is so much weaker than my right, which is
I mean,
weird.
typically,
Yeah.
you're more, are you right-handed?
Right-handed.
Yeah, same thing, right? So this is actually one progression I've been doing, is, I'm actually getting pretty good at this now too, where once you get the pistol, pretty easy.
Oh, snap. Shit.
Oh, you want to see something fun too? Try this, right? We can have a little competition. See how far you can throw this rock.
Right.
So throw it that way and go ahead, no kids. Alright, your turn.
Right,
So pick it up, and then in however you consider leg swing, just try to throw it to me. Oh, good job.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, and then try this. Just throw it up. Hey, want to give it a shot? Squat down and throw it up, and then walk away. Oh, good job! Yeah, and that's really good for your
shoulders,
delts
right?
and shoulders.
Yeah, because one thing I've been really, besides like, I've been practicing handstand push-ups. Like, no, on a wall though. I can't do it.
Okay. Can you do a
like,
planche?
no, that's also one thing I really want to
I'll
learn.
teach you. I think you can do it. So,
How did you practice that?
okay. I'll show you.
Okay.
Do it on this rock. So,
Okay.
I've actually found that the easiest way to do it. Oh, this is the big secret about planche too. You just gotta lean forward like a motherfucker.
Really?
Because I think a lot of guys are afraid of falling on their faces.
Yeah.
But I think you definitely have the muscular strength for it. So just do this. Put your hand here and here,
Mm-hmm.
and then lean forward.
Nice. Okay.
All right, give that a shot.
And should I, like, at first should I rest my
Just
thighs on my?
Try both. Experiment. So you have to just lean forward like a motherfucker. Oh, good job. Yeah, lean forward more. Lean forward more. Don't be afraid of falling on your face. Oh yeah, good job. Yeah. That was really good.
Bad, yeah.
Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Why don't you
it's
give
like,
it another shot? That looked really good.
These are the legs. I feel like my legs
So
are
my secret: spread your legs like a V.
Yeah.
It's easier.
easier. Try.
Oh, good job. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. I'll also, can you try that again? And then they call this crow or frog pose. Hold it. Just put your knees in here.
Yeah.
And lean forward and see if you can just hold that. And just lean forward. Hold that. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. So essentially, start in that position.
Yeah.
Then you just kind of
You build
like
it up.
you're
from there.
essentially doing a bench press. And you just push your body off again. Yeah, try again. I think you're good. Wait. And lean forward. And try again. Oh, here. Also, one thing we could practice. Come over here. These guys are actually pretty good too. Oh, yeah,